विदेश में शिक्षा प्राप्त करना युवाओं का सपना होता है और इस सपने को पूरा करने में केसी ओवरसीज एजुकेशन विश्वसनीय सर्विस प्रदान करता है। केसी ओवरसीज एजुकेशन के संचालक आदित्य सिंह तोमर ने बताया कि पूर्व में वह करियर स्पेशलिस्ट के नाम से संस्था संचालित करते थे। केसी ओवरसीज एजुकेशन एक स्थापित ब्रांड है और आज इसके देश में 75 से अधिक केंद्र कार्यरत है और विदेशों में भी इसकी ब्रांचेज है। आदित्य सिंह तोमर ने बताया कि विदेश में एजुकेशन और वहां पर वर्क वीजा संबंधी सभी सेवाएं उपलब्ध कराई जाती है। साथ ही टाफेल और इंग्लिश कोर्सेज की भी तैयारी कराई जाती है। भोपाल में एमपी नगर जोन 1 किंग्स शॉपिंग कम्प्लेक्स डीबी मॉल के सामने स्थित केसी ओवरसीज एजुकेशन पिछले 14 वर्षों से विदेश में शिक्षा के लिए सेवाएं दे रहा है और अभी तक लगभग 2000 से ज्यादा छात्र सफलतापूर्वक विदेश में शिक्षा प्राप्त कर रहे हैं। आदित्य सिंह तोमर ने बताया कि उनके द्वारा विदेश की यूनिवर्सिटीज में स्कॉलरशिप दिलाने का भी प्रयास किया जाता है, जिससे छात्रों पर ज्यादा वित्तीय भार न पड़े।
Study abroad consultant, and we help students to take up their bachelor's and master's abroad. So in the process, we help. The first step is definitely career counseling. Second is choosing of universities, the documentation, visa services, bank loan, and then the post-landing services. So these are primary our services. Apart from that, we also help in preparation of IELTS, TOEFL and GRE examination.
These are the basics requirements.
These are the basic requirements for any country. Mostly the English proficiency test, that is IELTS or TOEFL, they are mandatory for every country.
Who is the choice the country or student?
It depends upon the student what he is more comfortable with, IELTS or TOEFL, but both these exams are acceptable by all the countries.
Mostly which country?
English speaking countries, so that includes US, UK, Australia, Canada and Ireland.
So what is the first step who want to go abroad for study or other?
So the first step is definitely to decide the correct course in which he wants to take up his undergrad or his masters, and after that we need to finalize the correct country and the university in which he's planning to, and then the fourth step is definitely the preparation, and the most important thing is profile building. We focus a lot on the profile of students because there are a lot of things which an Indian student lack in his profile, so we focus a lot on them, and that's how we take the other steps also.
So what kind of the financial expert, it is very important to know.
So it's always a myth that if you're planning to study abroad it's very expensive. It's not really true. There are a lot of scholarship opportunities which are available in countries like US, UK, Australia as well as Ireland. In the past or for this year also, we had many students which were holding 80 to 90% scholarships for undergrad programs in US. So talking about a tentative fees, if I exclude the scholarships, so for masters in case of Ireland, if I talk about, the fee would range anywhere between 15 to 20 lakhs, and I'm talking about
which country you start your fees, which college, which university?
Now like for example, if I talk
Australia, Canada.
As the people thinks, you can manage, particularly a upper middle class person easily manage.
Definitely. Another thing that I want to highlight here, a lot of government as well as private banks are offering education loan of a maximum of 40 to 50 lakhs without any property mortgage. Union Bank is one of them. They are offering an education loan of 40 lakhs without any mortgage, where the rate of interest is very nominal compared to any.
There is no hindrance. You can fulfill your dream to study abroad.
Definitely.
Besides that, a lot of we can say gimmicky opening in the country regarding the abroad study. But more than 2,000 students you have sent abroad.
Exactly.
Last 40 years,
Yes,
you have been established in your office opposite DB Mall, MP Nagar, Zone 1. So you are the trusted one, or anyone can approach you.
Definitely.
So hope that kind of services you are providing to fulfill the dreams of the youths and other persons will continue.
Definitely, of course.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.